Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming requirements: Windows 10/11 or a supported Linux build, updated GPU drivers, and at least 500 MB free. Once done, choose the wallpaper type you want: a looping video, a web-based interactive scene, or an application-powered live background, because the choice determines the tool. Next, download the recommended app like Wallpaper Engine or Lively and grant permissions when prompted. You'll install the app now and accept default components, so you import your media into the app, drag an MP4, GIF, or point to an HTML5 folder. Once imported, set playback options like loop, start delay, and audio output so desktop sound behaves correctly. Make sure to configure performance settings, cap FPS, choose rendering pipeline, and toggle hardware acceleration to balance visuals versus CPU/GPU load. After adjustments, preview at native resolution and confirm aspect ratio matches your monitor. If you run multiple displays, assign per monitor profiles now. You apply the wallpaper and verify it appears across the correct monitors. Assign different wallpapers per display if needed. Once applied, set the app to start with Windows so the effect persists after reboot. If you notice stuttering or the wallpaper disappears after sleep, reduce FPS, enable pause on battery, or lower rendering quality. And if things go wrong, check the app's logs for errors, update GPU drivers, disable game overlays, and restart the live wallpaper service to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.